Hi, my name is Aaron Marcus, and if you have already taken my Book the Job workshop, acting and modeling workshop, or if you have had some acting and/or modeling work, I want to tell you about a special Acting 2.0 workshop that I'm going to be offering in Charlotte on April the 28th. This is a more advanced session than what I normally offer. And during this workshop, we're going to be spending a lot more time with exercises. I'm going to have everybody shoot a TV commercial after spending time explaining, showing you ways to prepare, showing you techniques. We'll have a practice go-see. We will shoot aside from an independent film, even from a sitcom. And so we're going to be spending a lot more time working on your acting and or commercial modeling techniques. So if you are really interested in learning how I've been able to make a living for over 30 years as an actor and a commercial model. As a matter of fact, I just got back from, I was cast in a pilot for ABC down in Atlanta, which I hope gets picked up in May. That would be pretty cool. And I'll be telling you experiences that I've had and ways to really deal with the industry so you will have your best chance to have success. You can use the link below. I always limit the amount of people who attend the workshop, so that way everybody will get my individualized attention. And sign up as soon as possible, and that way you will be guaranteed a seat. Use the link below. If you have any questions at all, you can always email me at Aaron, Aaron, at howtoactandmodel.com. And I really look forward to working with you on April the 28th. See ya.